Hi guys, welcome to another video. It's Dogman here. Basically, we're gonna be reacting to some saucy cringe. Now, I haven't watched this. I swear. Now, we're gonna be watching Michael, aka Catman. No, he's my friend. No. He's not my friend. He's in my school. We're not friends. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna I don't know. I don't know. Wait, what does this white button do? I don't know. So yeah, we're just gonna click play.
Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today...
Wait, where's his intro?
Yeah, where's his intro?
I'll go check if he has an intro.
Yeah, you should go check if he has an intro.
Oh, he does have an intro.
He does?
Yeah, he should use it more often.
Yeah, you should use it more often.
Okay, back to the video.
I haven't uploaded this in ages. This feels weird.
Wait.
Kate.
And by the way, what? Why is black?
What? What's this? What's this, Michael? It's black.
We're on the outside. Yes, to do landscape.
Okay, I already need to pause the video. So this is a reaction channel. Right. Okay, I already need to change the shirt as well, because it was dirty. So this is a reaction channel. Brilliant. Because we need another reaction channel. Now, I'm sorry to insult the almighty powerful Catman. You know, he's the best YouTuber in the entire world. Just look at this. Look at this solid evidence.
Sorry, I keep pausing the video, but so it's a singing channel. We got that. She's in my class. Got that.
Really, Michael? You never told us.
She knows the words.
Okay, Michael, can you make a behind the scenes video? Because your setup is obviously too complex for the average viewer of your audience of magnitude. Yeah. Why is he not saying anything? Is he just really quiet? Can I just not hear him? Wow, Michael's set was really tidy.
Sorry, I keep pausing. But now we know she's not playing the piano. Let's just carry on. Well, I think she's not anyway, because she got up. Yeah, she got up. Did you see that? You see that? She got up. So, I don't know if she's actually playing the piano. Let's just play it again.
That's a Skylanders poster in the back. Michael, you dirty boy. Why is Laurie's video black and white? What is this? The 1830s?
I didn't even have film back in the 1830s.
Go on, Dan!
No.
Okay.
Tell me why are we wasting time? What are you wasting
See, that's her looking at her kidnappers, seeing if she did it right. Now, I'm not trying to diss Michael, because, like, you know, my channel is complete cancer. You know, 9 out of 10 on Sonic Lost World, what was I thinking? Completely YouTube cancer confirmed. Now I hope Michael doesn't make a response video, because my career will be dead. I'll be like a little rose or something. Let's go back to the video. Okay, so he doesn't talk for like 2 minutes. Bad! I mean, good. I'm not trying to diss him, you know.
Pause that. That, she muttered a bit, but yeah. I think she's copying lyrics. So, I think we've got that problem. She muttered a bit. I'm not trying to diss. It's a good channel.
Jesus, he gets so close to the camera.
So yeah. Thanks for watching this video, and bye.
So that's the end of the video. To be honest, that was a masterpiece of a video. Even though I dissed him this entire video, this is up with the likes of Sonic Lost World 9 out of 10. Well done, Catman, you made an amazing video. If you want to check him out, his channel's in the description. Now, he makes some quality content. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, you liked it. Now, I'm not trying to diss. Hey bro, I'm not trying to diss. Hey, I'm not trying to diss!